Okay, so how to service a swimming pool three-way valve. I've taken this one off the pool, which is what you do. You just undo the Phillips head screws all the way around and then lift vertically up. It's just a press fit with an O-ring seal. Here's the O-ring around this top edge here, and this just presses into the base. I've just lubed this one. The lubrication points are where this spins in the base. Give it a wipe with a rag, get it all clean first, and then lubricate it. The same in the base of the valve where it goes. Wipe with a rag, then lubricate it. Then, this handle, as you can see, it's held on with a pin. So you need to get a screwdriver, like this, and just drive it through. The pin has a knurling on it, so try and find which end has the knurling and drive it against the knurling so you can drive it out, and then that handle will come off. The handle will come off, this spring will come out. Careful of spiders, they love to get up under there. I just had a massive big spider jump out at me as I was servicing this one here from up under the valve, but none on this guy. So I'm back to put it back together. The next step here with this guy is that that top plate comes off, and then you'll see there's a nylon washer and a rubber O-ring. Take them both off, wipe it all with a rag, get it all clean. Nylon first, rubber second. Onto there, lube it with silicone lube, give that a clean with a rag, lube it inside with silicone lube. I'll put links to all these parts because there are parts available for these valves and different brands, so I'll put links to all of the parts, and then you put that back together. Okay, so it probably all sprung to bits when you put it together. So what you need to know when you're driving this back in is that the shorter end of that spring actually goes down inside there. The handle needs to pointing this way towards where it blocks. That's the way the handle always goes back on, and the spring needs to go in like that. Okay, so I'm gonna have a go at this one-handed, but this pin needs to go through the handle. So to start off with, you have it just at the start, then it goes through here and it goes through the center of that spring, which is inside the handle like that, and then it pushes right through the other side. So it is a matter of getting that into the right position. You see there's a little ledge inside there that actually the spring sits on that ledge, and then you slide it down like that so it lines up, and then I'm gonna have to put the phone down, so I'm gonna give that a bang with the hammer once it's all lined up. There you go, in. Not hard, just hold it up, hold it in position. It's seriously not hard at all. Bang it through until that's coming through to flush on that side, and then your valve all of a sudden moves and turns. Look at that, like a dream, because all the muck and dirt and stuff is out and all the O-rings are lubed. So as I said, when you put it back in, lube that bottom edge, lube that O-ring as well, screw him back in place, and you are done.